In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Notion using mermaid blocks and a little help from ChatGPT. Whether you're tired of sketching workflows on paper, or you simply want a fast and clean way to visualize processes inside your Notion workspace, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Notion app and go to the page where you want your flowchart to appear. Once you're there, click anywhere on the page and make sure you're ready to add a new block. It helps to choose a clean section, so your diagram is easy to read and fits nicely into your workspace. Next, open ChatGPT and describe the flowchart you want to create. For example, you can say something like, create a flowchart for publishing a YouTube video or any process you're working on. ChatGPT will generate mermaid code for you, usually starting with something like graph.td. Don't worry if the code looks confusing, you don't need to understand it at all. Once you've got the mermaid code, head back to Notion and type mermaid. When the code, mermaid option appears, click it to insert a mermaid block. Now paste the code you copied from ChatGPT directly into that block. After a moment, Notion will automatically turn the code into a clean, interactive flowchart right inside your page. After that, take a moment to review your flowchart and see if everything looks correct. If you want to add steps, adjust labels, or change the structure, you can simply go back to ChatGPT and ask it to update the mermaid code for you. Copy the new code, paste it into Notion, and your flowchart updates instantly. It's also a good idea to be very clear when describing your process to ChatGPT, because better prompts lead to better diagrams. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create professional-looking flowcharts in Notion quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be organizing workflows too.